Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little detail on the truck because after our 4th of July trip, this thing got just extremely dirty. I mean, there's sand, there's just all kinds of stuff in here. So I mean, it's like so bad to where I was drawing smiley faces on the steering column with the sand and dirt and dust. So Justin entered a giveaway with Durtymax or Enthuzst for the that red Power Stroke they were giving away, that the old grandma one that could barely get inside of it. So today we're just going to do a little detail here. We got the whole detail kit. It was like 160 bucks. We got the foam cannon that came with this one. We got all the interior, you know, whatever it is, tire cleaner, the fallout, the gum out, whatever it's called. So we're going to start vacuuming this thing out. Get all this stuff out of here. I mean, I can't believe how dirty this thing got from being up there for a week. So I'm gonna try and find some good floor mats here. I want to get rid of these. These things are just horrible. They're stained right up. My fiance went out to get a power washer, so we're gonna see if maybe we can just power wash these things and let them dry for a little bit. But yeah, we're just gonna start vacuuming it out right now, I guess. So I guess you might have to trim these things or something. Yeah, I mean, I don't, unless I'm missing something here. Well, that sucks. You have to figure out the height of that and cut it so it always gets to the bottom. Alright guys, so I trimmed about 2 inches off and it goes down in the bottle fine, so we'll do the 2 inches on all of them. Got a little bit of a bend to it, a little bit of a curve, but let's see. So everything works good. So let's go through these things and see what they do. Alright, got all the tops in now. And no, we're not missing one. That one's for the foam can. It's super foam. So we got gloss dressing, detail spray, tire cleaner, interior cleaner, and fallout remover. So the first thing we're going to use is the interior cleaner. It says that you can use it on leather, vinyl, rubber, plastic, carpet, cloth, upholstery. So we're just going to try it on here, and yeah, I don't like that. Let's see what's got on. There we go. Kind of let that soak in real quick, and I mean, you can tell it definitely works. I mean, look at that. It's just like, I think I'm gonna go grab a brush and try and get into this stuff with a brush. I mean, a microfiber is not really gonna get too down into the pores or on anything. So I mean, you can tell it definitely it's definitely a good product so far. I mean, that got a lot of shit off my handle. Let me go find a brush real quick. So the interior cleaning stuff works pretty well. And they got gloss dressing. And it says that it you can use it on interior surfaces like vinyl, plastic, rubber, including rims and tires. So I'm gonna try and spray it on this on the door here.
Lucas.
See if it kind of gives it a little bit of a shine to it.
Oh, it does have one.
And then it says, let's see here, spray under your applicator, spread over the workpiece, work the product in, buff off with a towel. It would be kind of nice if he did like a tutorial on what he designed what for what, I guess. But I did the doors, the outside of the door with well, yeah, you're right. Guy got me. The inside of the door with this gloss dressing. I kind of did a little mixture of everything, honestly, because I'm not really sure exactly what's for what. Like, directions are kind of, or the intended uses, kind of simplified, I guess, but probably. But that's that door. That shine stuff, it really puts a nice shine to it. I did the doors. I mean, you can see the difference. Like, look at this door. Look at all that. I mean, this thing is so freaking filthy. I think any cleaning products would help, but you can see the difference. We went to AutoZone yesterday. We're kind of looking around. We found some Duplicolor cans of paint. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to sand these down. I'm going to sand that down right here and hit it with that paint and do a little test on that to see how that stuff works. So we're going to do this back door here. Oh boy. Alright, we did this door. I really hope that paint works. I'm gonna sand all this down and use that can of paint that we bought and see if we can get it to look a little better.
You know.
We did all this. We put the gloss, you can't really see because the sun's going down, but
I'll probably attach it to that and
so we're gonna go over to this side. Just been mainly using this interior cleaning stuff so far. So, works good. Definitely does what it's supposed to. And oh man, look how nasty this thing is. This trip was a very dirty trip. Alrighty, let's get this side done.
Detail day, Matthew family.
She's a Morgan.
She's a Morgan. She'll never be a Matthew, though.
That's not nice.
He is.
Not bad. I should watch you.
Yeah, that stuff, that's crazy. Like, this is the worst part of the whole door.
Dude, you should go try it on mine real quick and show them how really good it works.
We're gonna do this door now. I'll show you guys a good before and after. I mean, this thing is so filthy. The only bad thing I guess I really have to say about it is this does not go a long way. Like, we've used like almost half a bottle on one truck, and I'm not even really spraying it. I mean, I'm doing like a decent amount just on every little spot. So I mean, like, it's just not going a far way. Got a huge brush up on this thing, hoping it'll get down in there. Alright, we'll do this door and we'll be back. Alrighty folks, so we did the doors. Super impressed. That gloss stuff works real well. when the sun hits it. I mean, I don't know if you can see it here, but when the sun hits everything where I put that gloss at, I mean, it shines. Like I can see all the sparkles and all the different color flakes in the paint and the doors. I mean, this is a 2007, so I mean, you can probably only work out so much out of the doors. But we're gonna do the interior right now, or not the interior. We're gonna do like the center console. I mean, you guys can see like, oh, that's just disgusting. We're gonna do all this up here on the dash, or up here on the column. We'll do the dash, and then we're gonna do the windows, and then we're gonna hit it with the foam cannon. So we'll do this, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I think that's all we're gonna do for the interior today. I'm gonna do the windows and do a little bit more, but I want to get the I want to do the foam cannon today and see how this thing works out. So that's what we're gonna try. Definitely looks a lot better in this thing though. Gotta do these windows real bad. Well, we're kind of losing daylight here, so we can do those tomorrow or something. It's not that big of a deal. That's just a window. All right, so what do we got going on here? Justin broke this. Everything he touches, he just has to break it. These guys went and picked up a brush for us.
It don't smell like UV blue.
You guys want to smell it?
Smell it, baby.
It smells good, don't it? Ooh, it does. Wish you guys really could have smelled that. The fiance and Justin wanted to go get a little electric power washer, so we're gonna try it with this thing. And how much were you supposed to put of what?
An ounce.
An ounce?
Or two.
Or two? It supposedly does 16 car washes.
Well, it's 16 ounces, so if you do 1 ounce per thing, you get 16 of them.
You're a smart man. Who taught you how to do all that math?
Gladman High School.
Gladman High School? Yeah, okay. She started doing these maths without me. I can see where she stopped and where she started, so I want to do these at that low power. That actually worked pretty good. All right, we need the hose. Well, no, we got to rinse it first, right?
But you still need the hose.
Yeah.
So you can walk around. Lowest soap setting they have.
The lowest soap setting?
Yeah.
There we go. Here. Oh boy, look who showed up.
It's still a little loud.
Still a little loud.
But not that bad.
What's happening, dude?
Nah, shit, man. I'm just about to hit Walmart real quick. What's up, bro?
Is it running good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's running great.
No problems at all?
No.
Awesome.
I got a brake light fixed and the muffler, but that's it.
That is all car.
Yeah, I still gotta get that fucking...
Hit me up.
Yeah, watch out, Luke. That's funny. The old pre-bird, bud.
Brother Tyler.
Still got the enthusiast sticker on it, too.
You got a 10 grand. Yeah.
Well, there's the car we gave away. Hell yeah.